beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Today we are going to discuss about Lama Fera healing, what it is, how is it done, and when to take Lama Fera healing and its benefits and lot many things. And if you have any other questions, any other queries or doubts on Lama Fera, feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to clarify those for you. Okay, so starting with what is Lama Fera. Lama Fera basically is a Buddhist healing modality which was started originally by Gautam Buddha. It was given by him to his disciples to make them more in tune and aligned with themselves, their inner self, their inner and outer universe, so that they are able to effectively meditate and reach their purpose, reach their goal, right? But it was basically a secret and a bit complicated process for normal people. Later, S.K. Saini decided to make it available to common people because it's such a miraculous, such a beautiful healing modality. So in the 1990s, he actually modified this modality and basically distributed its power into various symbols which are and made it commonly available to people, which is known as Lama Fera, which we learn and which we practice in the present time. So of course, it is very powerful, one of the most powerful healings, and it basically has the power to heal and cleanse you from the deepest level of your core. That is your soul healing, your aura healing, your past life healing. Of course, apart from other common purposes like career, relationship, growth, success. Apart from all those, it also helps in protection from negativities, cleansing of karmas, definitely cleansing of your house and space, warding off negative spirits, evil eye, and all sort of negative energies, and of course aligning your chakras, your aura, increasing your spiritual powers. So basically you can go for Lama Fera if you are going through these problems. Even if you're not going through these intense problems, or you just want positivity and like with more efficacy, you can definitely go with Lama Fera. A very commonly asked question on Lama Fera is that does the healer and recipient require Lama Fera kit in order to practice Lama Fera? So it's both a yes and a no, because see, intention is something which is of utmost importance. If your intention is strong enough, then you definitely do not need the kit. But kit makes sure that your vibrations are raised and you get into that state. So if there is any lagging behind in your intentions or maybe in your connectivity, then that kit makes sure that that lag is actually covered and you provide with the most effective healing to the recipient, right? So this is why it's a yes and a no both to the kit. Okay, so yes, it is better if you are a beginner Lama Fera healer and you want to practice that. So yes, it is recommended. I would recommend you to use the kit. And recipient, yes, if it is available, then you can definitely use the kit. Otherwise, you can just cover yourself with a maroon bed sheet or wear a maroon gown or shirt and then get the healing done. There are no strict rules for the recipients, right? So this is about Lama Fera. If you have any further doubts, feel free to ask. Take care, stay blessed, bye bye, and do subscribe for more updates.